Andito po tayo ngayon sa Baluarte Zoo sa Ilocos Sur. Ayan. Ang ostrich. Ang laki. Ayun, yun ang mga sakayan pagka makikita mo na yung zoo. Hindi po naglalakad, nakasakay talaga sa sasakyan. Ihahatid po nila at may mga station po na bababa na pwedeng mag-stay doon for a while. Then, meron din pong susundo na sasakyan service para po ihatid sa sunod na station kung saan po may mga animals na makikita. Ayan. Medyo mabilis yung pagkapatakbo pero makikita mo naman kung anong hayop meron doon. Ganon. Ayan. Medyo mainit din po nung pumunta kami kasi parang midday na po yon. Ayan, may lion, may tiger. Can you see inside? Yes. Then later we will have picture with the lion. Oh, diba? Ayan. And then we will stay here in where the lion is. We will have picture with the lion. Something like that. Ayun, may tiger doon, nakakulong. Ang laki. Ayan. Then, pumasok kami dun sa gallery na lahat ng mga hayop nandoon. Ayan. Oh, di ba? Parang medyo natakot ako kasi andun lahat yung mga hayop na yun. Oh, yun naman, na-preserve nila doon. Actually, it's air-conditioned inside. Ayun. Ito po ito sa Ilocos. Ang tawag po dito ay Baluarte Zoo. Pero ito pong pinasok namin ito ay gallery. Ayan. Okay. Ang dami nilang hayop doon. Diba? Madaming hayop. Iba't iba. Ayan. Okay. From bear, from lion, from tiger, deer. Ang dami. Ang dami nila actually. Masyadong sobrang dami nila doon. Ayan. Sobrang, ito isa sa napaka-huge niya. Ayan, yung white na yan. Yung mga ayan, tumas ako doon para makikita ko yung kabuuan doon sa taas. Ayan. Wow, can you see? It's so huge, the place. And they put it there. It's air-conditioned, the gallery. All the animals in there. Yes. And now, we need to go on the next station. So, ayan, andito na. Ayan. Napakalawak ng place. Ayan, daming puno. Ang sunod daming makikita ay mga deer. Yung mga usa. Iba't ibang kulay, may batik-batik. Medyo maliliit sa aking kuha kasi malayo. Hindi siya malapit. Ayan. Ito, dumaan kami sa zebra. Hello, zebra. Ayan. Ayaw magpakita ng zebra. Ayaw humarap. Yung puwet niya ang nakaano sa amin. Ayan, yung mga deer, yung mga usa. May batik-batik, may brown. Ayun, nandoon. Kumakain sila ng grass. Ayan. Then, papasok na kami sa parang alligator. Yung pinaka... hindi alligator. Snake. Na napaka-afraid ko na sila lang yung pumunta doon. Ako dito lang. Nag-video-video ng mga... Ayan, ng mga mushroom na ano... At saka ito, turtle. Ayan. Hindi ko nakinunan yung snake. Takot ako. Ayan yung si... mommy or daddy turtle. Ayan. Tapos may mga maliliit pa din. Yung maliit din yung anak niya. Ayun. And then pumunta kami sa Crocodile Park. Oh my. Maraming crocodile. Ang dami, ang lalaki ng crocodile. Ayan. Diyan sila nag-stay. Ayan. Ayun, no, lumalangoy siya. Oh my. Some of them nasa tubig. And then yung iba nasa sa kate do sa taas. Pero nakakulong sila lahat for sure. Siyempre nakakatakot kung hindi sila nakakulong, di ba? Ayun. Ayun, no, nakaalsa yung ulo ng isa. Yan. Okay, mag-green na yung tubig. Oh, kita mo, di ba? Okay, so now, ride again with the service because we need to go again. And now we can see the where we started, but we need to go some other places in that Baluarte Zoo. So we keep on going. Yes, it's so fast, the service. Okay, so ayan. Ayan. Ito yung place. Can you see from far? It says Baluarte. Okay. And umuulan noon. Medyo umuulan nung pumunta kami kaya basa. Ayan. Ayan, ang dami ng dinosaur. The dinosaur is not, it's a stone, you know. Ayan, the store. There's so many stores there. And then a lot of what's that? It's not a chicken. It's peacock. Yeah, peacock. And then after that, birds and chickens. And then bibe, duck. Okay, keep going. Then we go up. We saw people walking, looking at all the animals there in the zoo. Yeah, keep on going. And they say this is a gold building. Ayan. As you can see, it's gold in color. I don't know if it's all gold, but it's gold in color. Ayan. Maraming manok. Ayan. Keep going. Maraming manok doon. And then, meron ditong cutie rabbit. Ayan. Mga rabbit dyan. Ayan. Ayun o, merong isa malayo. Ayun, tanaw pa rin yung gold building. And then, we are going to the like a gold factory. We go inside. We see all the machines. It's a trap gold refinery. Ayan. Ayan, oh, there's so many gold. This is all the machine that they use. Yeah.
Grain production unit.
Yeah.
Induction furnace.
Diba? There's no worker there. We just saw it the place. Ayan. Can you see ang ginto? Ayan. Ang ginto. Ang dami. And this table is made of wood. It's there is a big lion there. You know, it's carving. You know, they carve it and then put it up the glass. Pretty. Ayan. Tapos na po ulit kami doon sa station na yon. So we go back. I think we go back to the where we started. So we're going home. Yes. This place is good for the children, so they will see the animals. Yeah. It's a huge place also. Ayan. Then, we're going back. Excited to go back and see some animals too. Yes, on the side. But the driver drove so fast, so you cannot see. And then there's a huge stone dinosaurs. And it says there, Baluarte.